Our universe holds a vast collection of worlds, some familiar and rocky like Earth, and others far stranger. While we search for planets that could support life, astronomers have also found some truly nightmarish worlds out there. These alien planets boast conditions so extreme that they would be utterly hostile to any life we know. It is also known as Jansen Circles, a star named Copernicus just 41 light-years away. The planet's surface is super hot and totally uninhabitable. There's something fascinating about this world. Its atmosphere is filled with silicate particles that turn into clouds on the side that's always facing away from its star. These clouds reflect the glowing lava underneath, making the skies shine. 55 Cancri A is a big planet, much bigger than Earth, that orbits a G-type star similar to our Sun. Its mass is 8.08 Earths. It completes one orbit of its star in 0.7 days. It orbits a star called Glea 486, which is 26 light-years away from the Sun. This intriguing celestial body, with a mass approximately 2.8 times that of Earth, holds within its fiery embrace an otherworldly landscape of intense heat and molten rivers of lava. The surface of Glea 486b is an inhospitable inferno, with temperatures soaring to an astonishing 430 degrees Celsius, making it utterly uninhabitable for any form of life as we know it. With rivers of lava flowing, it's definitely not a place for living. There's no chance of setting up camp here. This iron-rich planet holds the title of being the densest world ever found. Its gravitational pull is a staggering 10 times stronger than that of Earth. It would crush any human visitor into a pulp. This is a super-Earth exoplanet orbiting the K-type star Corotti 7 in the constellation Monoceros, located 489 light-years from Earth. It was the first rocky exoplanet ever found. It orbits its star incredibly closely, at a distance of only 2.8 million kilometers. In comparison, Mercury, the closest planet to our Sun, orbits at 58 million kilometers. This tight orbit means this exoplanet completes a full revolution around its star in just 20 hours. Due to its proximity to its star, it experiences scorching surface temperatures estimated to be around 2,700 degrees Celsius. At such high temperatures, any rock or metal on the planet's surface would likely be molten, creating a vast ocean of lava. It is tidally locked with its star, which means one side of the planet always faces the star, while the other side is in perpetual darkness. This creates extreme temperature differences between the day and night sides of the planet. This is a truly fascinating exoplanet, often called Super Saturn, due to its incredible ring system. The rings around are estimated to be 200 times larger than Saturn's rings and extend out to a distance of about 90 million kilometers. It is a young giant planet or brown dwarf, approximately 16 million years old. It is much younger than our solar system, which is about 4.5 billion years old. This exoplanet is composed mostly of gas, similar to Jupiter or Saturn in our own solar system. As a rogue planet, it is an extrasolar object with a mass similar to planets, but without a host star to orbit. It is located approximately 80 light-years away in the constellation Chameleon. Unlike planets in our solar system that orbit a star, this planet wanders through space unattached. This means it doesn't receive the heat and light a star typically provides, making it an extremely cold world. As for its massiveness, it has a mass only about 6 times that of Jupiter. There are a few theories about how it might have formed. One possibility is that it was ejected from a young star system due to a gravitational interaction with other planets. Another theory suggests it may have formed on its own by directly collapsing from a cloud of gas and dust. WASP 12b is a hot Jupiter exoplanet, a gas giant orbiting very close to its star. It is scorching hot with a dayside temperature reaching around 4,700 degrees Celsius. This is hot enough to vaporize metals and even break apart some molecules. The intense gravity from its host star, along with the scorching temperatures, causes WASP-12b to be tidally locked and egg-shaped. One side of the planet permanently faces the star, while the other side is in perpetual darkness. Studies suggest WASP-12b has an atmosphere rich in carbon, with a much higher carbon-to-oxygen ratio than our Sun. This has led to speculation that the atmosphere may contain carbon-based compounds like methane and even diamonds in the form of graphite or diamond rain. Captain B orbits Captain's star, a red dwarf star located about 13 light-years from Earth in the constellation Pictor. Discovered in 2014, it was initially considered a potentially habitable planet due to its position within the star's habitable zone, the region where liquid water could exist on the surface. However, further studies have cast doubt on the existence of Captain B as a planet. Some research suggests that the signals astronomers picked up might be caused by stellar activity rather than an actual planet. If it is a real planet, Captain B would orbit its star within the habitable zone, where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist on the surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Captain's star system is estimated to be 11.5 billion years old, making Captain B, if it exists, one of the oldest known exoplanets. It could offer insights into the formation and evolution of planets over vast stretches of time. Discovering exoplanets is important for us. One of the biggest driving forces in exoplanet discovery is the search for life elsewhere. Finding Earth-like exoplanets in the habitable zone increases the possibility that life, as we know it, or in some exotic form, could exist beyond our pale blue dot. The habitable zone is the sweet spot around a star where liquid water could exist. Studying the atmospheres and conditions on exoplanets can shed light on what early Earth might have been like. This can help us understand the evolution of our own planet and the conditions that allowed life to take root here.